Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create chat session in Moodle. So basically, chat is an text conversation between the peoples. So we are using a lot of platforms like WhatsApp, text messages, mail communication, and so on. So in this video, I am going to show how to create chat in Moodle for course related conversation between the teacher and the student. So how to do that? Let's look into that video. For that, I am going to log in to my site. After login, go to the course. After going into the course, click the action menu, turn editing on. So here, add an activity or resources, click the button. So after clicking the add an activity or resource, there is an pop-up window will open. In that, so chat is one of the activity. So I am going to click this chat window, chat session, and after that the description of the chat is given here. What is the definition of chat and what are all the different types of chats. So after clicking this, I am going to give add. So here the name of this chat room is mandatory. I am giving any name, say example online. You can give whatever you want, you can give the name. And description of the chat, I am going to give a topic, what topic I am going to interact with the students. So I am going to give moment of inertia. After giving, enable this display description on course page. So then only the student will able to know what is available in the description box. So after giving this, go to the chat session. In that chat time, we need to emphasize. So here, for example, for practice, I am going to give today date and the time. So here, after giving this date and time, you need to the chat is would you like to repeat or so here there are several options are there, repeat or publish session times. So here number one is don't publish any chat times, second one is the no repeat, and third one is the at the same time every day, and last one is the at the same time every week. So you can decide what type of chat session you need to choose. So here I am going to every day this particular time we can create the chat time. Otherwise every week you can plan the chat activities with the students. For this I am going to give at the same time every day. So daily 9:52 21:52 the chat time automatically open. So after giving this, save past session, you can give never delete the messages or every 2 days or every 7 days. So every 1 month you can give the history has been deleted. So for that I am leave it as default, never delete the messages. So after that everyone can visit past sessions. You may give yes or no. So that if you give yes means the past session students also visible. Otherwise teacher only able to visible means you can give no. So that student cannot able to see the conversations. After that common module settings. So once this so common module settings, the availability you can show on course page. Suppose you need to your chat session course page is not incomplete means you can give as hide from students. So once all the entire things are finished, you can show to the students in the course page also. So group mode, please leave it as no groups, and restrict access if you want. Restrict by group. Suppose you want to chat with a particular group of students, means you can give the groups. So already I shared the one video related to how to create groups. After creating, you can give the groups for chatting for a particular groups. So you can give, and after giving all the details, you can give save and return to the course. So after creating this, the chat window is available here. The name of the chat window is online. The topic of the chat session is moment of inertia. So if you want to show this page to the student, right now this is not visible to students. I am going to open in student window. So now I am going to show to the students. I just click the show to the students. So this is gone, hidden from students gone. Now you can check with the student window. You can just refresh it. So here the chat session is available. Just I am going to open this chat session as a fact teacher. So after opening this, there is a message called the name of the chat session, topic going to discuss. So the next chat session will start on 24th May, because I given every day this time is going to start. Now I am going to click the click to enter the chat session now. After clicking that, there is a pop-up window will open. At the same time, in student window also I am going to open. So here in student window also I am going to click here to enter the chat now. There is another pop-up window is opening. I am maximizing this one. Similarly, in teacher window also I am going to maximize this. So this is teacher window and this is student window. So in teacher window, I am going to chat just like a WhatsApp chatting. I am going to good evening all. Evening all. Just I am hit the enter button. So here the message will display in the student account. In the student account, this message is, this is student account actually. The student can reply to the teacher, good evening sir. Good evening sir. So this is from student, the message sent to the teacher window. So here this is the teacher window and this is the student window. So like that, the student and teachers, I am creating only one student here. In your course, you can give access to the group of students or entire students of the particular course, so that so through this chat window, the student and teacher interaction through text mode, just like a WhatsApp text. So this is a formal way of texting within the course. So this is how to create the chat window in Moodle. Thank you all. Thank you watching for this video presentation.